What is it? What is your problem? How can you be walking on the middle of the road?
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
What kind of temptation is this? Listen to me. If you want to commit suicide, not this car, look for another car.
I'm very sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry, sir.
What? You're back so early. No lessons with the children?
It's Friday.
Oh, I totally forgot.
What is wrong? You didn't get the job, did you?
I tried. As a matter of fact, I've been trying, but I still don't know why I can get a job. The more I try, the more I fail.
Sweetheart, don't talk like that. You have not failed, and you will never fail. Okay? Don't worry. You will get a job. I know that for sure. Okay?
Honestly, I wish I hadn't dropped out from school. I would have gotten a better job. At least a good job to take care of you.
Sweetie, I'm not complaining. Like I said, you will get a good job. Okay? Please. I hate to see you like this.
Where will I get this job? I've exhausted every place I can get a job in this village. I've gone everywhere and still there is no job for me.
I think you should try the village council. I heard from our headmaster that there will be an opening there.
You sure? In that case, I'll try out first thing tomorrow. I need to get a good job. I need to take care of you.
It's okay. I'm not complaining. Everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Let me get us something to eat. I'll be right back.
Please don't be long.
How market?
Fine.
Please give me bread and granules. Two bread, one granite. Thank you. I got this for us. Sorry, it's the only thing I could afford with 300 naira on me. Here's yours. Come on, eat. It's nice, right?
Gozie upiam! Gozie upiam! Ina gozie ndị mmụọ. Taba! Ina gozie ndị mmụọ. Kebe ọnọ. Oh! You are keeping quiet, Abi. I know you are inside there. You don't want to come out. Don't worry. I ga-afụ isi ya. Ọkwa tata. Ị ga-enye m ego m. Ị ga-enye m ego m. Ọkwa tata. Ana m eche gị. Ana m eche gị.
Lord. Good morning.
What is good about the money? Eh?
Greeting.
What is good about the money? Where is Gozie? Where is Gozie? Gozie no more. Gozie Ubiam. Where is he? Oh. Gozie. In your menu. Okay? In your menu. Okay, you heard my voice and you are hiding inside there.
Okay, no, good morning, sir.
Stop that good money. Stop that good money. Gozie, it is 2 months now. You have been owing my rent. Gozie, can you pay me again? Can you pay me again? I normally collect 1 year rent in my house, but you came to me and pleaded that you'll be paying per month. It is per month now. This is the matter we have been settling. This per month is a problem. Gozie, did I see you before I built this house? Did you in any way contributed to cement, koacha, injiluna, barumia? Gozie, ina gotten the more.
Lord.
Did it?
It's okay. It has not gotten to the extent of insulting my husband.
Oh.
Eh? Oh, who work IG?
We
will pay. No, sorry. I'm sorry, sir. We will pay. It's just that things have not been going smoothly for us.
And things will never go smoothly with both of you.
I reject it in Jesus' name.
Reject it and I'll keep saying it. Ever since you park in here, things are not been going smoothly with you. It shall never be go smoothly with you.
It must go smoothly with you. Lord, stop saying that. I don't like it. Stop saying it.
I'm working about.
No, with all due respect, sir, because stop saying it.
In a parliament, that's a new respect. Hey!
landlord. Please. You know I don't have a job yet. I'm trying my best. As you can see, I'm dressed. I'm going out to look for a job. We'll give you your money. We will pay. Just give us little time. We'll pay you your money.
So you want my children to starve to death because you don't have a job? Okay? Or you want me to wait for you to get a job before I pay their school fees? Because go in there and bring my money, else you back out of this house. Yes.
Landlord, listen to me. I will pay. Very soon I will collect my salary. I will pay you. I will even pay advance.
Very good.
Please.
So you people want me to die before you pay? Is that what you are planning for? It will not work. Oh, you both want me to die before you pay? I will personally pay. You will personally pay. Oh, even now, since a year ago, up till now, we are still settling the matter. In 2 weeks' time, I give you 2 weeks. I am coming back. In fact, I will not be this generous. In Area, because you piano. I'm not here. Let's go see any man. Oppo.
My love. It's okay. It's okay. Don't take what he said to heart. Everything will be fine. We will find a way to pay him his money. How are we going to pay the rent in 2 weeks?
I don't know. No one is willing to borrow me any money. Because I have no job to pay back.
It seems our only hope is my salary. My salary is not even enough. It's just 6,000 naira.
I'm sure we are going to sort this out.
Yes. We will.
I am confident that I am going to get this job. And when I do, I'm sure things will get better.
Chimo me. This suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunke mere ozane me. Ane cheko dimma ona kawanye njo. Chimo me. This suffering.
Roso, I think we are late. It wasn't that keke.
Keke?
Nah.
I did not come out with extra money.
Don't worry, I will pay. What are we friends for if not for inconveniences?
Didi. Thank you. Okay, let's wait for Keke then.
Hell, how are things with you and Gozi?
Great.
So has he gotten a job now?
He will get one today.
Rose, I told you, don't settle for fine face. You said it's fine face you want to eat. Now you see where it has landed you.
Didi, stop it. I don't like it.
It's the truth. You left that wealthy chief for a fine boy who cannot even hold down a job. Rose, I am your friend though, and I will always tell you the truth.
You know what? I've changed my mind. I will walk. Exercise is very good for me.
Rose! Rose, wait for me now.
Alright, pupils, before we look at today's subjects, I want us to refresh our brain. So let's sing. Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ, ọ na-abịarụ na mmụta, onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta. What is happening today? Wait. What is happening? You didn't eat before coming to school. Sing! I want to hear your voice so that your brain will open. Sing. 1, 2, 3, go!
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ, ọ na-abịarụ na mmụta, onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akụkọ. Ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego.
Again!
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ, ọ na-abịarụ na mmụta, onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akụkọ. Ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego.
Good. Okay.
Good morning, Ma.
Good morning, children. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay. Rose, the headmaster wants to see you.
Alright. I'll be right behind you. Okay, children, we'll leave you for a minute, but I want you to keep refreshing your brains. Keep singing, okay?
Akwụkwọ na-asụ ụsọ, ọ na-abịarụ na mmụta, onye were nkasi obi,
Let me hear your
ọ
voice.
ga-amụta akụkọ. Ọ bụrụ na nne na nna gị nwee ego, ọ bụrụ na nne na nna gị nwee ego.
I called you out here so that we can talk about your salary.
So I thought you weren't getting paid till next week.
You are not getting paid at all.
Huh? I don't understand.
Have you forgotten you borrowed 7,000 naira from me 3 weeks ago when your mother had that accident?
Yes, I remember. But sir, you said I could pay whenever I get the money.
You have the money, don't you? You still owe me 1,000 naira.
Sir, please, I will pay. I will pay as soon as possible. But if you see this month's salary, I need it. Please, sir, please.
I can't be that patient. Rose, do you know there are other ways you could settle your debt?
Sir, please stop it. I'm a married woman.
Stop deceiving yourself. That man does not deserve to be your husband. He's a weakling. You need a man like me?
Rose, why did the headmaster call you earlier today?
It was nothing serious. Just work stuff.
Oh, okay. Hey, now please, can you wait for me? Let me wrap things up so we can go together.
No, I can't wait for you.
Rose, are you still upset with me? With over what happened earlier this morning?
Didi, you crossed the line. Excuse me.
Rose!
Mama Chichi.
Hey, Rose.
I greet you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
God just brought you here. Actually, I had wanted to go to your house later today. But here, you are here now. I hope you brought my money.
Your money?
Now.
Have you forgotten you are owing me 1,250? Or each fugo?
Mama Chichi. Hey, this your hair is so unkempt.
Oh.
Hey, let me make it for you. Mama, please, let me make it. Yes.
In that case, let me bring my comb and
mirror.
Hey.
I say now, it's big. You can buy this. You will feel good and look good.
I trust you.
Chimo, abudu gini neme. This suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunke mere, nozane me. Ane cheko dimma, ona kawanyen jo. Emene lo dimma, emena lo dimma. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere molilanya, na nchukube, na chukube n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Ọ dị m n'obi, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m.
Look at yourself.
Wow, Omowadeha. This is beautiful. Hey, you made me look like a young girl. Never no more.
I told you. Hi. Sweet 16. And now, fresh air will be entering your brain. You start reasoning very well.
Thank you, Rose. You tried. Hey.
Mama Chichi. Hey. Mama Chichi. Hey. Mama Chichi. Mama Chichi, I'm wondering if you can... You know, Mama Chichi, this your hair is very fine. And I took my time to make it.
How is it?
Mama Chichi. Next time I'll come, I'll do style for you. You're not going to pop like this. Very fine. You will look younger.
How is it?
Mama Chichi. Please. I don't know if you can help me with 300 naira guy.
I know it. I know that is why, Mama Chichi, Mama, you've called me more than 100 times. You have said about my head more than 200 times because you want to borrow. Does this place look like a charity home? Why can't Naju? Does this place look like a charity home? Every time you're hungry, you will rush to Mama Chichi. You will come to me and I will give you something on credit. But you will not bother to pay back. Did I swear for you? Ah.
No condition, please. Eh? I don't.
Condition.
Because I don't like the way you are.
Condition, Merege, that when you buy something, you will not pay.
It's not like I don't want to pay. But I don't have the money. Things have been very deep.
I don't want to hear that one. I told me, just give me my money and leave my shop. Again, did I open this place because of you? Eh? You could give me paper. So you read, I'm sure.
I'm sorry. I can kneel down and beg you. Because
if you like, crawl. Just, it doesn't concern me at all. Just give me my money and leave my shop.
Please, help his sister. Why are Jobo and Sana go because please help me. Please, Mama Chichi, because I'm a woman like you. Please help his sister.
Stand up. Stand up.
Will you give me the Gary?
It's just that the money you are owing me is too much, eh?
I will pay. I will find a way. I will pay. I promise. Yes, I will pay. Because
stand up. I will give you.
You will give me?
I will give you.
Thank you.
But Rose, I will give you this Gary now. If you don't pay me all the money you are owing me, if you come here again, Aziza, I will not give you anything, even 5 naira something. I will not give you. If you don't pay me,
this suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunke mere ozaneme, ane chekodima ona kawanyento. Chimo obudu gini neme, this suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunke mere.
Sorry. I tell you, guy, I tell you, to the.
What have you done? What have you done?
You see what? You see what? Even like they put sand here, you know, say they will eat them.
Just go, just.
Now you cause am. Can go me cause waiting. You know they see. Say person dey call, see dey play. You know they see.
I didn't get the job.
Don't worry. You'll get the next one.
si mụ bịa gwa gị gọzie n'aka ya dike dị n'arụ gị ihe ọsọrọ nyiro ya mee mmeri bụ nke gị onye nwe m si mụ bịa gwa gị dị m ọma n'aka ya dike dị n'arụ gị ihe ọsọrọ nyiro ya mee mmeri bụ nke gị.
I love you.
You deserve better.
I am happy. And that is all that matters. Say you love me too.
I love you more than anything in this world. I can't imagine life without you. Yes. I love you too. I love you so much.
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Ọ dị m n'obi, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m.
Hey. Hey. How do I do this? With this leg? How do I harvest these crops then? But I need to harvest them because if I don't, what will I eat? What will I eat? Okay. What do I do? Yes. Somebody should come and help me. Somebody should. Where do I start from here? This is... I cannot. Rosanna, you come and help your mother. I can't stand up. What do I do? How do I help myself? Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
My love.
What?
I've been thinking.
About what?
I think we should go and see my mother. It's been long, and I'm really worried about her.
Well, that's not a problem. You can go. I'm not sure I can go with you.
Why?
What do you mean, why? What do you mean, why? If I follow you to your mother's place, what am I taking along with me? Nothing. Not even as cheap as groundnut oil. How do you think she'll look at me?
It doesn't matter. I mean, she doesn't care.
I care. And I am not going with you.
Yes, you are. You will go with me whether you like it or not.
Eze, I was able to raise 1,000 naira for you to do the job for me. This is all I have. I virtually scraped everything I have in the house just to make up for the job. Please help me. Manage it, my son. Because, oh, no. Because,
This 1,000 is not enough, honestly.
Hey.
It's not enough.
Nah, because, just pity me and do it for me. Do it for an old woman. Old woman like me, please do it for me. Beg you. Oh, I don't have any other one left. The house, just manage it and do it for me. Thank you. As you can see, I cannot do it myself.
It's okay. I will do it.
Thank you.
Like you said,
yes.
You are weak and old.
Yes.
That's why I want to do it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you,
God.
God.
A message of man, you like.
Okay. Thank you. God will bless you. Oh.
Thank
you. Do. Oh. Hey, you want to come on? Hey, Chuku Goziego. Oh. Dalurine. Hey. What could I have done? Hey, thank God. Oh, God, he accepted to help me. Yeah, I can't for me here. How would I have managed to do this job myself with this leg and this condition?
My love, I am ready. Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not.
You are going with me. Let's go.
No, I am not going anywhere with you. Look at me. I am broke. How do you expect me to take my poverty-stricken self to my mother-in-law's places? I am not going anywhere.
My love. How much did you have when you married me?
Nothing.
My point exactly. I am here to build with you. I don't expect you to become a billionaire overnight. Please, let's go.
Oh, my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I do.
Oh, God. Chai, what kind of thing is this? What kind of thing is this? How can this happen to me here? Why, God, why? After all the money I spent, after all the money I gave to Eze to harvest those cassava for me, why will he come back saying that they are all bad? Not even one of Polo go over Potalo, over Polo. The cassava in the farm. Eze, I gave money to Eze to harvest them for me. He came back saying that no, he didn't even come out with one. They're all rotten. What I can say, why would that happen to me?
What is this? What is all this? How are you going to be feeling right now? How are you going to cope?
It's okay.
It's okay. No, Mama.
I'll be fine.
Mama, it's not okay. How are you going to feed? How are you going to take care of yourself?
See, I saved some money. I can use it to take care of myself. Don't worry. Oh, don't worry. Take care of myself.
Mama, I am sorry for your misfortune. I just wish I have something doing. I mean, if I had something, I would have supported you. But, you know, things have been difficult for me for some time now.
My son, I don't need your help. Don't worry. I can take care of myself. It's both of you that I'm worried.
Mama, we are fine. You're the one we're worried about.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama, we are fine. I'm just worried about you. We're fine.
My love, you're back.
Yes, I'm back.
Where did you get it from?
It's a long story.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me get spoon. As if you knew, I've been very, very hungry. Hey, my love, food is ready. God bless you for this food. You know I've not eaten since morning.
I can't stand seeing you like that.
But I'm not complaining.
You deserve better. What I am complaining? What if it doesn't get better? What if I never get a good job? What if this is our happily ever after?
Stop it, Gozie, stop it. Have a bit of faith. Everything is going to be fine. Please.
I have exhausted my fate.
Gozie! Gozie! Yes? Why are you here?
I prepared soup today, so I decided to bring some for my best friend.
Listen, if you are here to mock me, do it quickly and leave, please.
Rose, why are you sounding this way? I care about you, that is why I am here. Why are you being extra grumpy today?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Let me get you seat. I'm not hungry, thanks.
Okay, I'll keep it here for you. Guess what? I have just. So if you want me to drop it, wipe up this angry splash sadly on your face, and I'll give it to you. You know now, I always have the You know that.
Why is he not back? I'm not feeling too good. I have to go now.
I just left your house and went to see Amarachi. Where are you heading to?
I'm looking for my husband. Hey, look at the time and he's not yet back.
Wait. You are looking for your husband. Is your husband a baby? He can take care of himself now. Why are you looking for him?
This is not a laughing matter. I have this feeling that all is not well with him. So let me look for him, please.
Wait. Are you sure you're okay? What is your problem?
Didi, we are not on the same level. You are neither in love or married, so you won't understand. Let me look for my husband. Oh.
Hey!
I've been looking everywhere for you. What is it? I've been looking everywhere for you. Where have you been? What's wrong with you? Nandi, what about it? Nandi, have you accepted? When did you start drinking? I don't like this. I don't like this. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to us? Only for... Just... Can you get hold of yourself? Please. Already. Huh?
Chimo abudu gini neme. This suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunke mere ozane me. Ane cheko dimma. Ona kawanye njo. Emene lodi imma. Emena lodi imma. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere molilanya na nchekwube. Na Chukwu bi n'igwe ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m.
Onye nwe m si m bịawa gị n'aka ya dike dị n'arụ gị, ihe ọsọrọ nyiro ya mee, mmeri bụ nke gị. Onye nwe m si m bịawa gị, n'aka ya dike dị n'arụ gị ihe ọsọrọ n'iru ya mee mmeri bụ nke gị onye nwe m sị m bịa gwa gị n'aka ya dike dị n'arụ gị ihe ọsọrọ n'iru ya mee mmeri bụ nke gị.
Rose! I'm sorry. Honestly, I'm sorry. Rose.
We have nothing. Our survival is hanging on a thread. The landlord might throw us out any time. All we have is our integrity. And you chose to throw that away too.
I'm sorry. Honestly, I didn't mean to go out to drink. I just couldn't stand our condition. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even know when I started drinking.
Nnamdi bought you drinks. The same Nnamdi that couldn't give you money to buy food. But he was happy to buy you drinks.
I am sorry. I'm sorry.
There's soup in the pot. Serve yourself when you're hungry. Excuse me.
Rose! Alright! Sorry.
Let it all out, Rose.
Didi, he's losing it. He's not the same man I married. Honestly, Didi, it has not been easy. As if we are cursed. Nothing is working, nothing. Nothing at all.
I know you're expecting me to tell you to continue being strong. That it will get better. But you know what? I'll tell you the truth instead. Your marriage to Gozie was a mistake. You deserve better than that. Rose, forget him. Forget that guy.
Well, I don't care about your truth. Keep it to yourself.
My name is Adam.
Yes?
Actually, I came to apologize to you about what happened the other day. I was in a very bad mood. I'm sorry, okay?
It's fine.
Hey. I've been praying to see you ever since that very day.
Why?
First to apologize to you, and then secondly to offer you a ride home.
Thank you.
Hi, come on.
I said no! Yes?
Please let me take you home.
Why?
Nothing, it's just a kind gesture.
Men like you do not do kind gestures.
What do you mean by men like you?
Stop following me. I don't need a ride.
Come on,
Why is he following me? What kind of a thing is this?
This suffering and sorrow is too much. na-eche ka ọ dị mma, ọ na-akawanye njọ. Eme n'elu ọ dịghị mma, eme n'ala ọ dịghị mma. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim Nobi, I will stand by you.
There's something I want to talk about. I got a job.
Are you serious?
Yes. And do not get your hopes high, it's just a small job. I met this rich friend when I was coming back home, and he said he was building a house if I can join the bricklayers on the site, and I said yes.
I know it's not a big job, but at least it can put food on our table for now.
This was not the plan. This was definitely not the plan.
Things don't always happen the way we want. We will get there.
When? When are we going to get there? Before I married you, I made you promises. Promised you a house, a car, a good life for you and for our children. How am I going to do that? By laying bricks?
Hey, you're not going to lay bricks forever. Soon you'll get a better job, and all your plans for our family will come to pass. That's my own promise to you.
deserve you. You're a blessing to me.
We are blessings to each other.
So, you wash. Now rinse.
Of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Or them no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. This suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunke mere ozane me. Ane cheko dimma ona kawanyento. Chimo abudu gini neme. This suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunke mere ozane me. Ane cheko dimma ona kawanyento. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right.
Mama, there's no time now.
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for
Make you run out for me. You can never defend
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right.
Again? Do this thing fast. Hey, I need to buy Benz. This see you. Benz waiting. I carry this thing. If not to shop, 3 up one you go sadly. Now what in
now. It isn't be a man there easy.
I want my Benz.
Fine boy. I better come here.
They come to my own, no. This Benz is the one I want buy.
If I not buy the Benz, what thing I get? This is what you do. If they give you money, can I go give Shinyan?
Calm down, I want to buy Benz.
Benz.
Just they keep my on one side. They keep my on one side.
Just like that?
They keep my on one side.
I'm not going to give you your money complete.
I'm not concerned. That nonsense be done.
After all, you know one buy Benz. After all, you know one buy Benz. Me, if I no buy Benz this year, one thing I get, if you don't want to help me, I go carry my
hear you.
Do this thing.
I hear
I'm
you.
go Benz.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I brought you food.
Why did you bring it here?
Well, Didi brought it for me. She wants to make up for being mean to me.
Wow. What would I do without you? Hmm? I love you so much.
I know.
Honestly, sometimes I imagine life without you, man. So, what car will you want me to buy for you?
That car that Mrs. Okoye drives, that's silver car.
Nah,
that's the one I want.
No, I'm not going to buy you that kind of car. That car is too small for you now. My love, I'll buy you those kind of car they call Irefi, you know. Anything wagon. G-wagon. Space wagon. My love wagon.
Take. Why did you do that?
Sorry, paying you.
It shocked me.
Best to do.
No, you're going to do it.
I'm going to give you.
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you.
General Market.
Tilapia. Gelafia. 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 Oh, no.
What are you doing? You packed everything.
I'm a professional. Huh?
You are cheating.
Okay.
You are cheating. Gelafia again.
Okay. Another pick two. Another pick two.
Another pick two. Continue.
Market. Gelafia now.
My love, you are cheating.
Pick two. Hold on. Pick two. Last card. Chico.
No. You cheated.
Look at the game now. I'm better than you. Look at the game. It's well played.
I am your wife. You should allow me win you. Yeah, you're cheating.
I'm sorry. I see you enjoying the orange.
My love.
Yes, love.
This is how happy I want us to always be.
Of course. Happiness is not just a choice, but a must. We must always remain happy.
Okay, let's go again. This time I'm winning.
I know I'm going to
I'm
win.
winning this time.
Let me shuffle the card. Let me shuffle it.
Rosie, I want you to do something for me, I beg. This is 100,000 naira. I want you to go home with it and bring it out in the morning.
100,000?
Yes, I trust you. Just go home with it and while coming out in the morning, bring it.
Why?
The owner of this site brought this money earlier, but I am supposed to share it today, but I will not. As you can see, some of you are still working. If I share it now, they will end. They will stop working. So just go home with it. Tomorrow morning, you bring it.
Alright, so no problem now.
I can only do a thing like this just because of you. I trust you. You are sincere. Just help me.
Alright, no problem. I'll bring it tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you.
Hi, you. Hi. What are you doing? You are laying this job. We are trying to work. You can't go, maybe. You can't go. Okay.
What do you think you are going to? What's good about the outfit? What do you think you are going to? Come on, give him! Hey, please, don't do this to me! Come on, don't do this! Come on, please! Don't do this to me! That money is not my own! That money is not my own! Please! That money is not my own! That money is not my own! That money is not my own! What kind of life is this? What have I done to deserve all this? Why is it that good things cannot happen to me? What is the meaning of this? Huh? What kind of woman? What am I going to do? Oh my God! What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
What happened to you?
What happened
this to you?
100,000 naira. 100,000 naira.
100,000 did this to you.
Baby, my boss gave me 100,000 that I should keep. It will be shared among the workers inside tomorrow.
I was bringing the money home. I don't know, some boys attacked them.
And they made away with the money. They took all the money. What am I going to tell my boss? What am I going to tell him I get 100,000? Huh? Why can't good things just happen to me? What is the meaning of this? Why are you punishing me? What is this? Why is this happening to me? I cannot calm down. We're talking about 100,000. You're asking me to calm down. What am I going to tell my boss when they're asking for the 100,000? What do I say? You're asking me to calm down.
Take it easy. Your life is more important
than
money.
My life is not important. Give me 100,000 and I'll stop crying. Where do I get 100,000 for? They gave me this money for the rest of the work. It wasn't for me. How am I going to go back tomorrow and then tell them what happened? Who's going to believe the story?
Tomorrow, you go there and explain to them what happened. Okay? The most important thing is that you're here and you're alive. This is my love.
Where do I get 100,000 to give back? Where do I get 100,000 to give back to my boss? What do I get? No one will believe me. No one will listen to me. Why are you punishing me? What have I done? What is the meaning of all this? What's going on? What is this? How do I get 100,000? All you should tell me is 100,000. How do we get 100,000? How do we get 100,000? How? Why is all this happening to me? My life is not important. 100,000! 100,000! Give it up.
Okay, let's go.
I'm scared.
You don't have to be. They will understand, okay? Let's go.
Rose, I can't. I'm not going anywhere.
Listen, if you hide, you will look guilty. We have to go so you can explain to them what happened. They will see the bruises on you. Please, my love, let's go. Please, let's go.
I'm scared.
That's why I'm going with you. You don't have to be scared. If you don't go, you will look guilty. They will think you did it.
Gozie, thank God you are here. What happened to your face?
Sir, that is why we are here. You see, he got attacked yesterday. Thieves attacked him. And they took the money. That's why we are here to explain to you what happened. Look at his face.
Thieves attacked him?
Yes.
Yesterday?
Yes.
Only yesterday that I gave him money to keep. Yeah, I go. Give me that money. I want to sort something.
That is what my wife is trying to explain to you. I was going home. You know, you gave me that money. I kept it here very safe. I was going home. I didn't know how some boys followed me. And
No. Your boys. You gave my money to your boys.
I don't know them. I don't know them. These boys attacked me and took the money.
Gozie, hold on. Are you taking me to be a fool? You think I'm a fool?
No, sir, you cannot be a fool.
No.
But my wife and I cannot.
Give me that money. I don't want to check. Come on, give me that money.
My wife and I cannot be lying to you.
We're can't be lying. Look at the evidence.
Look at what they did to me. These boys beat me blue black. I had the money here. I was just going. They took the money. I even followed them. I stood the risk.
This is February. If your plan is to come here and do April Fool to me, it's not working.
Sir.
I cannot be doing April Fool in my face.
Do I know?
I cannot be doing April Fool.
No.
Please now.
Sir, it hasn't got into that. It hasn't got into that. Honestly, when you gave me that money, I kept it safe. I kept it here. I was just going home. I don't know those boys. I told you we should not come. I told you we should not come.
Yes.
Look at Okay, I beg you in God's name. See, I've been using hot water on him. You need to look at his body. Look.
Will I do this to myself? Look at me. You told me that I am trustworthy. You gave me the money. I was going to be. I will not do this to myself. These boys almost killed me.
The money is not my own. The owner of the money will come. He's coming so that you explain.
My husband has not stolen in his life. He has not stolen in his life before. Please, sir. Please.
Officer.
Hey. So this is a criminal, yeah?
Yes,
you called the police?
No. I called my father. Thank you.
I am not a criminal.
To them what happened to the money.
See, officers, my husband was attacked. Armed robbers attacked him and they took the money. Please, let me tell you.
My husband has never stolen his life before. Please, he is innocent. I am his wife. Please listen to me. He can't do it.
Officer, you told me.
Arrest this people.
You told me that I am trustworthy. You told me that I am trustworthy.
He's innocent. Believe me.
So where is the money? Where is the money?
You told me that I am trust. He gave me money, 100,000. He said I should keep it. That I should bring it to work tomorrow. That's what he told me. And the next thing, I don't know, some hoodlums just attacked me from nowhere.
You are friends, not hoodlums. Officer, arrest these people.
Officer, you cannot take me. I'm not a criminal.
Enough of the explanation. We'll go to the station. We'll explain it better.
You will explain it better.
Arrest this man.
Now let's go.
It hasn't got into this. It hasn't got into this.
Don't waste my time.
It hasn't got into this.
Please.
I say move.
It hasn't got into this. It hasn't got into this.
Mr. Man, please don't waste my time. I beg you. Now
My husband is
it hasn't got
innocent.
into this.
Officer, hold on.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I've heard, sir. Yes. Okay, sir. Officer, I beg, my Oga just called that I should forget about the case, that he will give me back the money.
Hey, sister.
Okay. Just like that, I beg. Let me see two of you.
Because of you.
I'm innocent. I've not stolen before. I mean, you've seen it.
Just like that.
I told you I was scared. Hey,
thank God.
one thing is still mysterious to me. The call just came and all of a sudden we're asked to go. More like a miracle. Rose? Rose?
Yes?
What is it? Please, are you alright?
No, I am not alright.
Oh, please don't allow me to be disgraced.
My love, you don't have to panic. How does it go? I'll talk to him. I'm sure he will give us more time. He will listen to me.
Honestly, Gozie, I am tired of this. I'm tired of begging to eat. Begging for a place to rest my head. I'm tired of being strong all the time. I am simply tired.
Gozie Obiam! Enter there! What is going on here? What are you? What is this? Take everything outside! Not a single damn thing! What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this embarrassment? What is the meaning of embarrassment? Is you call like this embarrassment? This is just the beginning. This is embarrassment. Part 1. This is an insult, and you get it part 2.
Oga landlord.
Miss Landlord.
Take it easy, Take what is happening? What is please now? We will pay. What is this?
I should take it easy. They have been taking it easy for over a year. Now you are still telling me to take it easy. Take it easy. What is it? This is the meaning of this. Why are you embarrassing me? Eh? You call this embarrassment? In fact, this is just part 1. I'm going to insult you. Then you will know what the meaning of embarrassment. Gozie, if you like the American, Gozie the more. Gozie the more. Gozie Upiam. If you like the American, they're going to fit up an owner. They're going to create up an owner. If you like go, if you quite a queen up and go again. If you like the American, Gozie pay me my rent or you pack out of this couch. I have torn your form apart. By the time you finish paying my money. But I'm going to lock this door now. By the time you finish paying my money, I'll go back and open it for you so that you leave again. Better and more. Go and look for job to do. Go and hustle. Your mates are hustling. Abugoduku, Kupurapu, Abugoduku, Gosia, Gosia and the Mo, Gosiopia. Let's go. Let's go.
Bring my school bag. Give me my school bag.
This suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunkemere ozaneme. Ane chekodima ona kawanyento. Chimo obudu gini neme. This suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunkemere ozaneme. Ane chekodima ona kawanyento. Emene Lordima, Emena Lordima. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right.
I'm sorry. I do not mean for all this to happen. I'm sorry.
I think we should go to my mother's house.
Why would you suggest that? How can I go back to my mother-in-law's house? That would be the biggest form of shame.
Kosi, the biggest form of shame is being thrown out of my home. That is the biggest form of shame. Did you see how people were looking at us? Did you see the mockery in their eyes? God, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done? Why am I suffering like this? I suffered in my father's house and now I am suffering in my husband's house. What is this? What is this? What have I done?
I'm sorry. All these things are happening because of me. I'm sorry.
Look at me. Homeless, hungry.
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right.
What a surprise. Oh my God. What is this? What? Look at your face. What happened to you? Mama, let us sit, please. Okay. Sit. Sit. What happened? Can somebody talk to me? Honestly, Mama, it has not been easy for us. We were kicked out of our house because we couldn't pay the rent. Hey, because he was beaten by robbers. Oh my God! I'm so sorry. But you shouldn't have allowed me to get to the stage.
You should have moved in before now. Before you were disgraced.
I don't want to be an extra burden to you.
God forbid. God forbid, Rose. You can never be a burden to me. You and your husband are always welcome to my home. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you for that kind gesture. Thank you.
Son, you don't have to thank me. You and my daughter are my responsibilities.
Of course.
Yes, you are. Rose. 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 Where's she going to? Rose.
Too much for me, David. This is too much for me. I know. But remember, you always tell me that everything will be fine. Things will get better. I need you to apply that now. Things will definitely get better.
Mama, this is going to be temporal. We will leave soon.
My daughter, I've already told you. You don't have to bother yourself. You can stay as long as you like.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
So, how is your leg?
My leg. It's okay. It's getting better. But I can't say same for the farm.
The farm?
Yes.
What happened?
After the accident, I have to scrape everything I had in the house. Gave it to Okonkwo's son to help me harvest cassava from the farm. But to my greatest surprise, everything he harvested was bad. Very bad.
What?
I didn't understand it either. My daughter, ever since then, I have been finding it very difficult to feed. Yes.
How did this happen? Mama, why didn't you tell me about this?
I didn't want to bother you and your husband. I don't want to bother you people.
Oh my God.
It's okay. I am happy that you and your husband are here. It's just the circumstances that I'm not comfortable with.
It's okay, Mama.
I can't help it, but I know it's okay.
Everything will be fine.
I know. It's okay. It will be fine. It will be fine.
Rose, you're here.
Yes, I'm here.
I went to your house to look for you, but it was empty.
Oh, sorry about that. We moved out.
You moved out without telling me?
It was urgent.
So where do you live?
Can we talk about this later? I have a bit of headache. Yes, please. My son. My son. Gozie? Hey. Gozie? What is it?
Nothing, Mama.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, Mama.
Yes.
Yes.
It's okay. Please, my son, I need your help. I want you to help me get some firewood from the farm. I need to cook.
If you want me to do anything for you, all you need to do is ask. You don't need to stress yourself all the way to this place just to tell me to help you get firewood.
My son, it's okay. I've already come. I'm here already. Please, I managed. Just help me get the firewood. Oh, can see any? Oh, come. Yeah,
I'll get it.
Thank you. God bless you. Oh, come. God bless you. Shima. Ay. Unka. Kuana sigono.
Hey, please excuse me.
Hey, you. I didn't see you.
Please can you quiet to the car? I promise I will take it.
Thank you. Mr. Adam, I am grateful for what you did for my husband.
Oh. That was nothing, okay?
I know a very beautiful lady like you can never marry a thief.
Thank you. I'll be a marina.
Oh, wait. We have not even talked and you want to leave. You see, I have one question for you.
All right. I'm listening.
I mean, how did a beautiful lady like you end up with a low life like that?
Mr. Adam, I respect you so much for what you did for my husband. Please, do not let that respect disappear. Please.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, okay? I didn't mean to offend you. But you see, I see you as a very special person.
Have a nice day.
Rose! What were you doing in that man's car? What were you doing in that man's car?
Baby, calm down. I just went there to thank him for helping.
You went inside his car just to say thank you? Can't you say thank you from outside? Must you go inside his car?
Because you're shouting. Please. I don't know what you're thinking, but whatever it is, you are wrong. Please. Excuse me.
Excuse you? You don't have the effrontery to tell me excuse you because I don't have a car. To say thank you from outside, you went inside his car. I saw your entire teeth. You were laughing with another man and you're telling me excuse. Oh, you don't tell me excuse you. Excuse me. No problem.
Chimo abogini neme, this suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunke mere, ozane me, ane chekodima, ona kawanento. Chimo abogini neme, this suffering and sorrow is too much. Of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Ewele molilanya, nanchukube, nachukube nibe. Oh, my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for.
Where is yours?
I ate in the kitchen.
Ate in the kitchen, what?
Yes.
I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Ewele molilanya, nanchukube, nachukube nibe. Okaye kweki erememo.
Mama, I want to go and add more salt in the oil.
Want to go and add more salt?
Yes.
Yeah. You have not even tested it to
Mama,
know if there is no salt.
At it, I know there is no salt. I'll be back now.
Okay. Well, see, so quick, so that the hair will not get cold. No, if it gets cold, you not like it, though.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I am doing? I came to give you the food.
But I already ate. I told you that before.
Stop lying, Rose. I know you too well. You wouldn't eat when you know your mother and I haven't eaten.
I know it's barely enough for both of you.
So, you'd rather eat and you starve? What does that make me, a good husband? No. You eat, and I'll be alright.
Okay. I have a better idea. But we'll share it.
I have a better idea. I'll feed you.
We'll feed each other.
Hi.
I already thanked you. What else do you want? Listen, I cannot repay you for what you did.
And I am not asking you to do that. I just want to talk, that's all.
I am late for work. I can't talk. Excuse me.
Hey. I got you some gift. It's in the car.
Mr. Adam, I am a married woman. Happily married woman.
I know, but that doesn't stop you from receiving gifts.
Yes, it does.
Listen, Rose. I can change your life, you know. I can clean you up. You're a very beautiful woman. You don't belong to this shithole. Allow me to make you very happy.
Mister, as you can see, I am very happy. Thank you.
You cannot tell me that you're very happy with that stinking poverty, man. Come on. Give me space to clean you up. Leave that worthless idiot behind. Come on.
Like I said before, I am very happy. And I will not stand here and watch you call my husband names. Have a nice day. Tired though.
I hope we see keke or bike soon.
Me too. Or maybe we should go down to the other junction.
Are you sure we'll find one?
Even if it's one bike, we'll manage it. Let's go down to that junction.
Excuse me, pretty lady. I'm Frank.
Yes? How can we help you?
I can help you. It's obvious you guys did the ride.
Well, you are not our ride.
Okay, I want to be. Come in.
Let's go.
How can we refuse?
Didi, stop it.
Come on, Rose. Don't make me enter this car alone.
coming. Oh, please come to the front.
Thanks for the ride.
Oh, wow. Sorry, what's your name, pretty woman?
Her name is Rose.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I'm actually in the village here for my grandmother's burial and I was staying for a while.
Okay.
And I would like to see more of you while I stay.
Sorry, I am busy and I have a husband.
Oh, okay. But that shouldn't stop you from having a good time with a gentleman like me.
I am sure she will change her mind.
Yeah, okay. Well, if you do, this is my card. You can call me. Thank you. Thank you.
Wait, Didi, what is wrong with you? I should be asking you that question. Why were you so rude to that gentleman? I am married. In my entire life, I have never entered that kind of car. And now you want to form married to ruin things for us, Abi?
I want to form married. Can you hear yourself? Anyway, here is his card. I am not interested. You can go ahead and call him. I don't even have a phone.
I'll give you my phone to call him.
What part of I will not call him don't you understand? You know what? I'm done talking about this. Bye.
Something at the back when I heard her scream. Mama, what is wrong with your eyes?
Okay, why are you doing this on my mother's eyes? What is wrong with her eyes?
My dear, it is hard to tell. I don't think your mother will be staying for a while.
Huh? What nonsense are you talking? Mama?
What did you say?
Mama, can you see this?
What did you say?
You cannot see anything.
What did you say?
You cannot see anything. No! No! You can't see anything! Because what happened to my mother? All of a sudden she can't see. No, not my mother. Okay? Yes, you can't see anything.
You can't see me.
No, this is not happening. This is not happening. Okay, how about you do something? Let her see. You are seeing if I left this morning. What is happening? What is this? No. Please do. What? You can't do anything. Nothing can be done.
How is Mama?
She's fine. Where are you going to?
I want to rush to the construction site to see if they will give me a job there.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Mama, you'll be alright.
Thank you. Thank you, my son. Thank you. Go away. Hey,
Oh.
Take. Mama, you need to eat something. Okay, you don't want to eat Gary, you can lick soup. I made it very well. Oh? It is nice, I made it very well. Oh?
My daughter, why are you sad?
Mama, can you see me?
I don't need to see you to know that you are sad.
I am not sad, Mama. Eat your food, please.
I ask you again. Why are you sad?
And I said I am not sad. Please eat. Please.
I'm full.
Mama, I don't...
Yes, I'm back. Mama, good afternoon.
Welcome, my son. Welcome.
Please. I need it.
Okay. I said I'm full. Okay.
Rose. Let us talk.
Talk to me.
I went to the building site and they refused to give me a job. I guess they heard about the 100,000 naira incident. I don't know what else to do.
What is this? Say it again. Rats. Rats. Alright, I'll be right back. But keep saying it. Rats. Rats. When I come back, I will explain. Keep saying it.
What is he doing here?
My friend. You're now a hot cake. Oh. See the type of fresh guy that is coming to look for you.
Please, tell him that I did not come to school today. Please.
Why would I do something as stupid as that?
Didi, I cannot entertain him. I am a married woman, for crying out loud.
Babe, these are the type of guys that will change your life permanently. Open your eyes.
Well, my eyes are open. Tell him that I did not come to school today. Period.
Is this girl okay?
Gozie, you need to do something. We can't keep living like this.
What do you want me to do?
Listen, I am tired of men treating me like an easy prey just because I am poor. There's no dignity in poverty.
Rose, what men are you talking about?
I don't want to talk about it.
No, you will talk about it.
I don't want to talk about it. I said I don't want to talk about it.
Mama, what is wrong with her? Is this shock? Mama, please don't do this, Mama.
We have to take her to the clinic.
We have to take her to the clinic. Do we have money? Mama, stand there, Mama, look at me. Mama, take your wife, Mama, wake up, Mama.
Jose, you have to take Mama to the hospital. I'll meet you there.
I'll take her to the hospital with which money?
Don't worry, I'll get the money. Just take her there. I'll be right back.
Mama, please, Mama. Please, Mama. Please, Mama, please.
This suffering and pain is too much. Ane cheko dimma ona kawanye njo Chimo obudu gini neme. This suffering and sorrow is too much.
Please, I need to borrow your phone. My mother is having a stroke.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. How did this happen?
Your phone, please give me your phone. Your phone. Thank you. I will see you later.
Righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive.
Oh, I was surprised when you called.
Mr. Frank, I need your help. Please. Remember you told me to call you whenever I need something.
Oh, baby girl, you're not a businessman. I can't give something without getting something in return.
I promise I will pay you. I will pay. Please help me save my mother.
I don't want you to pay me. Just give me something else.
Mr. Frank, what can I possibly give to a big boy like you? I am just a poor school teacher.
Oh, don't underrate yourself, Rose. You have so much to give. Okay, hold on. All this can be yours, if you want it.
What are you saying? I want it. I need it. I need to save my mother. Thank you.
Hold on. I'll give you what you want, if you give me what I want.
What are you saying? What is this? I'm a married woman.
I know. Come on.
Stop this. Stop it, please. If you want to help me. Let me save my mother. Please, I'm a married woman.
I guess you don't want to save your mother. It's easy, Rose. Think of your mother. I'll be done in a few minutes. Come on.
Let me go. I'll keep your money.
Rose, your mother. Money. Save your mom. Oh.
Good afternoon, sir. I am
the thief's wife now. You don't need to introduce yourself. I cannot forget in a hurry. So why are you here?
Sir, my husband is not a thief, but that's not why I'm here. Please, I want you to help me with your gas number.
Huh?
Your gas.
My gas number?
Yes.
No, I cannot do that. No, so because my Oga helped you and your criminal of a husband, you now think my Oga is very accessible and easy to get?
It's not like that. You see, I desperately need his number. I need his help. Please, sir, please help me. Yes.
Get out of this place.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
Get out of my sight!
Sir, please. Okay. I'll go.
One.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, your stars. Awesome, thank you. Thank you, girl. Rubbish. Hey! Bien-moi!
Mr. Adams, I'm sorry to have bothered you. Please, I need your help. I really, really need your help. My mother is sick. Please.
It's okay, I will help you.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Calm down, but you have to help me also.
Please do this for me. Help me. I promise I will pay you back in no distant time. Please. I will pay, I swear, I'll pay.
Rose, you and I know that is a lie. Where will you pay me back from? From that broken school where you work? From the little salary that you receive? How can you pay me back?
Okay, but I will find a way around it. I'll find a way to pay you back. I promise you. Please, I'll pay. Please, sir, for the sake of my mother, please.
Listen, Rose. Be my woman. And you will never pay me back for any favor.
Mr. Adams, I am married. How many times will I say this to you? I am married. I'm a married woman.
Leave him behind and come with me. I will take you to the city. We'll go to vacation in Dubai, Switzerland, or any country that you choose. Come on, please.
Mr. Adams, like I said before, I am married. And I love my husband. I cannot leave him. Please, just help me. For the sake of my mother, just help me, please. I'll pay you back. Please don't do this to me. Please, I beg you in God's name.
Rose, I cannot help you if that's the case. I can't help you.
Mr. Adams, please. My mother is dying. Please, I beg you in God's name. Help me. Don't turn your back at me at this time, please. I beg you. Please.
Rose, I have been really nice to you. Okay? I have offered you things that women 10 times better than you will happily receive. But you always throw my offer back at my face.
Please. That is because I am married. I am a married woman. I can't do what you're asking me to do.
I just hope that your stupid marriage saves your mother's life. And if that woman dies, her blood is on your head.
Wait. Give this to John. I borrowed it.
This suffering and pain is too much. This suffering and sorrow is too much. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odimnobi, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere molilanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Ọ dị m n'obi, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m.
Rose, can you stop crying and talk to me? Eh? Were you able to get the help you wanted?
Nobody wants to help me.
Oh my God.
I don't know where else to go. I don't know who else to call. I don't know what to do.
Why don't you ask the headmaster for help? You can borrow money from him.
You're right. But there is every chance that he could have gone home.
No, I believe he should still be in school. He's always the last to go home.
You're right. I'll be right back. Sir, please, thank God I met you here. Sir, please, you have to help me. My mother is dying. I need you to borrow me some money, please. Please, sir.
Rose.
Sir?
Every time you rush in here with the same story. I've always helped you without asking you for anything in return.
Sir, please help me again. This time, Ujim here. Please help me, please. Please, my mother's life is at stake, please.
Do you remember the last time you came in here asking me for a favor? I also asked you of something.
Sir, please. Sir, please. This is not the time. Please, let's not go there, please, sir.
Rose, we are already there. I mean, you should know what to do. You don't understand what I'm saying?
I understand. Don't touch me. What is your problem?
Okay, I should not touch you.
Yes, don't touch me. What is wrong with you?
In fact, you are fired.
I fire myself. In fact, I fire you.
You are fired.
You are fired. You are the one that is fired. You are very, very stupid.
Get out of here.
You get out. What is your? Must you sleep with all your teachers? Must you sleep with everybody's guests? What kind of a human being are you? Don't you have a wife at home? Don't you have a... You get out.
Get out.
Get out.
Let me see you here again.
Idiot. I'll just cut off this thing and throw it to the dogs.
Nonsense.
I'm not here. Nonsense.
Let me
with your
see.
head like an idiot.
Don't worry. Let me see you here.
Policeman.
What's that nonsense? Every time you come here to... It's alright. I know what to do.
I don't know what else to do. I don't know where else to go. I don't know what to do. I don't know.
Rose, it's okay.
It's not okay. I went to the clinic. They rejected my mother simply because we couldn't pay the deposit. I don't know what to do. How am I going to go? How am I going to... What do I do? I'll just go home and be looking at my mother.
You need to be strong for her. You need to be strong for Mama. You want her to see you in this condition. Eh? Everything will be fine.
I don't know what to do.
I wish I had money. I would have given some to you. But I exhausted everything I have.
to look at her. How do I go home empty-handed? What? Oh God.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. You just need to be strong and pray more. Okay? It's okay.
Chimo abogini neme, this suffering and pain is too much. Ane kunke mere, ozane me, ane chekodima, ona kawanyento. Chimo abogini neme, this suffering and sorrow is too much. Ane kunke mere, ozane me, ane chekodima, ona kawanyento. Emene lodima, emena lodima. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Odim no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Ọ dị m n'obi, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Enwere m olileanya na nchekwube, na Chukwu bi n'igwe. Ọ gaghị ekwe ka ihere mee m.
How is she?
Mama.
She needs to be taken to the hospital.
Didi, I am helpless. I can't help my mother.
This is all Gozie's fault. You got married to a husband to have a better life. But here you are, from fire pan to fire. Please, where are you going to?
See that? Please. I couldn't see what. I'm wondering your time right before me and I can't do anything and you're still not fucked. And it's all in the water. Because I love. See that? You're not relentless to me. Our destiny is sad and pathetic, yes, but we will go through this together. We will come out strong. Please. Okay, you love me after. After everything. You think I am useless to you? You are not. I forbid you to say that. You are the love of my life. You are the reason I wake up every day. You are my everything. My love. Everything will be fine.
I love you so much, Mom.
I love you too. I love you too. Love you.
It's okay, Mother. Stop talking. Just rest, okay?
Okay.
Just rest. Rest.
Okay.
Mother. 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 Mother.
Mom! Mother! 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 No! 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 Mother, wake up! Mother, wake up! No! Mother, you can't do this to me. Mother, wake up! Wake up! No! Somebody help! Somebody! Hey! Mother, wake up! Mother, please wake up! Mother, please wake up! Please wake up, please! Mother, wake up! Mother, please wake up! Mother, please wake up! You're all I have in this world. Wake up, brother, wake up. Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Wake up! Mother, please! Somebody help!
Yes? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Please, you have to wake up, madam. Madam, please.
What are you doing here?
Gozie. Gozie.
Good day, Mama.
Good day, Mama.
Good day, Mike. Mama. Mama, I thought you died. You died.
No.
Gozie.
Can you just put me through? I mean, what? Mama, I just saw you. I mean, I thought you died.
Rose, we have a lot to explain to you.
Gozie, who are these men?
This is Adam, and this is Frank. They are both my friends and business partners. And my name is not Gozie. I am Richard Akubike, Richard Oil and Gas. And I am not the Gozie you know.
If this is a joke, please stop it. I am not enjoying. I'm not finding it funny. Please. Can someone explain to me in plain language what is going on here? Please.
Rose, calm down. Gozie is actually rich. Yes. But he pretended to be poor in order to test your love for him. I can explain.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine. My name is Richard Akubike, Richard Oil and Gas International. Akubiki. You're from Akubiki's family? Wow! I'm so honored to have Akubiki's son in my house. What a surprise! Thank you very much, Mama. What a pleasure you know my father. Of course! You were much younger before you traveled to the city. Look at him. You look like him. Thank you very much, Mama. You're welcome, my son. I came to build 1 or 2 houses along the road, and then I saw something very, very beautiful. Your daughter. Both of you know each other? No. As a matter of fact, she doesn't even know anything. And I don't want her to know me like this. I mean, we said that to be here. I would like to, the guys, approach her as poor man, and I will need your help. Yeah. I don't understand. Alright, you want me to your house? My own daughter. Not for long. For a short period of time. You see, I was once married, Mama. My ex-wife almost eloped with all my property to the boyfriend. I was married to her for 2 years. Without knowing that she had no atom of love for me. Oh, Mama. I don't want to repeat that mistake. I'm never going to get married. I must be sure. And the person wants me and not myself. It is very difficult for me. I know that. And I promise you from that.
What? Both of you played me for a fool? No, it's not like that. It's not like that. I can't believe this. So this past year has been a lie. You lied to me. You used me. Do you have any idea what I've gone through? Do you have a clue the pain you have passed through? And to both of you, it's just a game. Even you, mother, how could you do this to me? How could you do this to your own child?
Rose. Please, Rose, please. I'm sorry I played you a fool. But it wasn't intentional. I wanted to see how sincere you are. I've been hit several times by the women. I kept thinking they love me for who I am. But at the end of it all, it was just about my money. And then I decided to go on this guise. To see if you genuinely love me. To see if you would love me for who I am.
Enough! Enough! I don't even know who you are. I don't. To me right now, you're a complete stranger.
I don't want you to put this out on your stepmother. Put the blame completely on me.
What are you talking about? Who is my stepmother? Mother, what is he talking about? I never wanted to tell you this. I am not your age. What? Yes.
your father got married to me after your mother died. And ever since your father died, I've been raising you as my own child, as my biological child. And I've seen you as your own ever since I somebody from this dream. But if this is a dream, but this past year has not just been a lie. My whole life has been a lie.
Rose!
Rose!
Rose! Rose!
Rose, I am sorry. I never wanted you to go through all this. I'm sorry.
You are sorry. You are sorry. I will not marry you again.
You cannot say that, Rose.
I can. I can say whatever I want to do, whatever I want to do. What? How could you do this to me? How could you? I don't know what to believe anymore. You played me. You used me. I am hurting inside, Gosie. I got this for us. I got this for us. Sorry, it's the only thing I could afford with 300 naira on me. Here's yours. Come on, eat. It was nice, right? I beg you in God's name. See, Million Cock, I've been using hot water on him. Look, you need to look at his body. Look. Please.
Will I do this to myself? Look at me. You told me that I am trustworthy. You gave me the money. I was going to be. I will not do this to myself. This boy almost killed me.
The money is not my own. The owner of the money will come. He's coming so that you explain.
My husband has not stolen in his life. He has not stolen in his life before. Please, sir. Please.
Officer.
Hey.
So this is a criminal, yeah?
Yes,
you called the police?
No. I called my father. Thank you.
I am not
explain
a criminal.
to them what happened to the money.
See, officers. My husband was attacked. Armed robbers attacked him and they took the money. Please, let me tell you. My husband has never stolen in his life before. Please, he is innocent. I am his wife. Please listen to me. He can't do it.
Officer,
you told me.
Arrest this people.
You told me that I am trustworthy. You told me that I am trustworthy.
He's innocent. Believe me.
So where is the money? Where is the money?
You told me that I am trustworthy. He gave me money, 100,000. He said I should keep it. That I should bring it to work tomorrow. That's what he told me. And the next thing, I don't know, some hoodlums just attacked me from nowhere.
You are friends, not hoodlums. Officer, arrest these people.
Officer, you cannot take me. I'm not a criminal.
Enough of the explanation. We'll go to the station. We'll explain it better.
You will explain it better.
Arrest this man.
Now let's go.
It hasn't got into this. It hasn't got into this.
Don't waste my time.
It hasn't got into this.
I say move.
It hasn't got into this. It hasn't got.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Enter there. What is this? Take everything outside. Not a single What is the meaning of this embarrassment? What is the meaning of embarrassment? Is you call this embarrassment? This is just the beginning. This is embarrassment. Part 1. This is an insult, and you get it part 2.
Okay, landlord.
Mr. Landlord.
Take it easy, Take what is happening? What is please now? We will pay. What is this?
I should take it easy. They have been taking it easy for over a year. Now you are still telling me to take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah, take. What is it?
What is the meaning of this? Why are you embarrassing me?
You call this embarrassment? In fact, this is just part 1. I'm going to insult you. Then you will know what the meaning of embarrassment. Gozie, if you like the American, Gozie the more. Gozie upiam. If you like the American, nego ni fit of an owner. Nego do quit of an owner. Ijine go. Ijin point ya kwen abal kogene. If you like the American, Gozie pay me my rent or you pack out of this house. Iga kwapo no. Gozie the more. I have torn your form apart. By the time you finish paying my money. In fact, I'm going to lock this door now. By the time you finish paying my money, I will go back and open it for you so that you will leave again. Better and more. Yes, sir. Yes. And more. In a bagwa can go and look for job to do. Go and hustle. Your mate are hustling. Abugodu uku. Abugodu Gozie the more. Gozie upia. Let's go.
Bring my school bag. Give me my school bag.
I'm sorry. I do not mean for all this to happen. I'm sorry.
I think we should go to my mother's house.
Why would you suggest that? How can I go back to my mother-in-law's house? That would be the biggest form of shame.
Gozie, the biggest form of shame is being thrown out of my home. That is the biggest form of shame. Did you see how people were looking at us? Did you see the mockery in their eyes? God, what have I done to deserve this? What have I done? Why am I suffering like this? I suffered in my father's house and now I am suffering in my husband's house. What is this? What is this? What have I done?
What men are you talking about?
I don't want to talk about it.
No, you will talk about it!
I don't want to talk about it! I said I don't want to talk about it!
Mama! What is wrong with her? Is this wrong? Mama, please don't do this, Mama! Mama!
We have to take her to the clinic.
We have to take her to the clinic. Do we have money?
All this can be yours if you want it.
What are you saying? I want it. I need it. I need to save my mother. Thank you.
I'll give you what you want if you give me what I want.
What are you saying? Mr. Adams, I'm sorry to have bothered you. Please, I need your help. I really, really need your help. My mother is sick. Please.
It's okay, I will help you.
You will?
Yes, I will.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Calm down, but you know, you have to help me also.
Please do this for me. Help me. I promise I will pay you back in no distant time. Please. I will pay, I swear, I'll pay.
Rose, you and I know that is a lie. Where will you pay me back from? From that broken school where you work? From the little salary that you receive? How can you pay me back?
Okay, but I'll find a way around it. I'll find a way to pay you back. I promise you. Please, I'll pay. Please, sir, for the sake of my mother, please.
Listen, Rose. Be my woman. And you will never pay me back for any favor.
Mr. Adams, I am married. How many times will I say this to you? I am married. I'm a married woman.
leave him behind and come with me. I will take you to the city. We'll go to vacation in Dubai, Switzerland, or any country that you choose. Come on, please.
Mr. Adam, like I said before, I am married. And I love my husband. I cannot leave him. Please, just help me. For the sake of my mother, just help me, please. I'll pay you back. Please don't do this to me. Please, I beg you in God's name.
Rosa, I cannot help you if that's the case. I can't help you.
Mr. Adams, please. My mother is dying. Please, I beg you in God's name. Help me. Don't turn your back at me at this time, please. I beg you. Please.
Rose, I have been really nice to you. Okay? I have offered you things that women 10 times better than you will happily receive. But you always throw my offer back at my face.
Please. That is because I am married. I am a married woman. I can't do what you're asking me to do.
I just hope that your stupid marriage saves your mother's life. And if that woman dies, her blood is on your hands.
Was any of those incidents even real? The site, the eviction, my mother's sickness?
The site! The site belongs to me. The construction company belongs to me. Everyone in that site, including the one that called the police, are all my boys. I just wanted to know how much you genuinely love me. I'm sorry I made you go through all this. I'm sorry.
You crossed the line, Gozie. You crossed the line!
Rose! I am sorry! Rose!
Do you know what I went through with Gozie? Do you know how I suffered with him? And all of a sudden I realized that everything was a setup. Even my own mother was hiding things from me. My own mother.
Wait, let me get this thing straight. You mean your poverty-stricken husband turns out to be a rich billionaire? Instead of you to be smiling and dancing, you're here lamenting, Rose.
You don't get it, Didi. You don't get it. These people played me. I was played. Don't you understand?
You love Gozie, don't you?
I don't know. Right now, I don't know.
I'll take that as a yes. You mean you want to give up on a man you love because of a little lie?
You call it little? You call that little? Didi, my whole life is a lie! Ha!
Rose, do you know how much I wish my life was a lie? Baby girl, if I could swap places with you right now, I would. So you want to give up on a man you love because of a little lie? Yes, you're right, they lied to you. But they're so damn sorry. Don't give up on a chance for you to live your best life with a man you love. You deserve to be happy. So be happy.
I am sorry for all I made you go through. I'm sorry I played with your emotion. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I am sorry I made you go through all of this just so I can be sure you genuinely love me. I can tell you that you have proven beyond words that you really love me. Please, Rose, find it in your heart to forgive me. I am sorry. I would want you to still be my wife. And my name is not Gozie. My name is Richard Akubike. Richard Oil and Gas International. You no longer have to suffer. Come with me, my love. You do not have to suffer anymore. Come and share all that I have. All that I have belongs to you. I am sorry. I am sorry. I shouldn't have pushed you this extent. Find it in your heart to forgive. I'm sorry.
Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Or them no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Oh my love, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what is right. Oh my love, I will take all the of the righteous, but one thing I know is that God is alive. After the rain, the sun will shine. Or them no be, I will stand by you. No matter what I see, I will stand for what